expresses so much, and I think it's Vijay Antony's 2.0 in this film. You all going to love each and every expression of his every scene, every expression is beautiful. When we edit our film, all our team, and when we shoot our film also, we admire and we love him in the shooting itself, or how cute he is. Don't you? That's how this character is also, and he made himself 100% into this character, and thank God he has actually done only this shoot. While doing this film, he didn't act in other film also, so he was totally into this character, and he is the love guru in this film.
Vijay Antony sir.
Yes sir.
Since it's a long time since Bichagadu is a big hit, you keep coming again and again, you keep moving, you keep doing films, you are producing some of the films, relentlessly you are trying different things. But this film, actually, I can see that your daughter, late daughter, is presenting the film.
Yes, sir.
I don't have any question, but I wanted to tell you, we want this film to become a feat, at least for your daughter.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Hereafter, all my movies will be produced by my daughter, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you.
All the best.
Thank you. Thank you.
మృణాలి గారు, హాయ్. ఇక్కడ ఆ పోస్టర్ చూస్తుంటే మీరు మందు కలుపుతున్నారు, అంటే మీరు తాగడానికా విజయ్ గారికి ఇవ్వడానికా?
లేదు, నేను తాగడానికి.
నేను
మాత్రం నేను మాత్రం
అంటే ఫస్ట్ నైట్ రోజు మందు తాగడం ఏంటండి?
రీజన్ మందు తాగడానికి రీజన్ కావాలా?
అంటే అక్కడ ఉన్న సిచ్యువేషన్ వేరు కదా.
నీ టైం.
ఓకే.
ఇది అన్ని ఫిలింలో మాత్రం, నా రియల్ లైఫ్ కాదు. ఓకే.